Hi, it's Juris and welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk, and today we will take a look at some cartridge needles and at some budget-friendly tattoo machine. It will be more like unboxing and first impressions video. And this video is done in collaboration with Easy Tattoo Supply, and that's a new thing for us. We are trying to make this collaboration. We will have affiliate program running with Easy Tattoo Supplies, which means that by using our link and our discount code, you can get 10% discount and we get a little kickback as well. So win-win situation. And that way you support us, you support this channel. Check that out. All the links and discount codes will be in a video description. And now let's see what they sent me. And it's here. The box is already unboxed and I have this hat. I'm more like a 5-panel person. This is a bit I don't even know. The regular hat. The douchey type. And we have a t-shirt and we have a tattoo machine. It's called Defender X and it's easy tattoos on side and cartridge needles. For boxes, I have not tried these, but I'm sure they are good. We use the other type. We order V-Select because that's our supplier have. Definitely want to check these out. And like with all this stuff, it used to be like generic and people were like meh about it, but it's getting better and better, and every new generation of cartridges is better and better. We agreed to work with this brand because I have used Easy cartridges before, so it's not some brand that I don't know. We use them in a shop as well, so I feel comfortable to recommend these products. Obviously, if they're good, we'll try, but I'm very optimistic because, like I said, stuff is only getting better and better and better. Let's start with t-shirt. That's the important part. Oh, Ziploc bag. It says medium. I asked for extra large, so we'll see. Maybe I will look tight. I know, feels like extra large. And the hat. Oh, let's keep the douchey look. My son's gonna wear it to kindergarten. He'll be the coolest kid on the block. Ah, fits alright. Bow. Bow. Some branding there. And now let's start with cartridges. Check their webpage. Well, not now. Check later. Now watch the video. There's pretty decent stuff. There's a lot of supplies. There's a lot of ink caps. So all you need for tattoo work. There's even some inks, and then obviously their tattoo machines. Their cartridges. There's the nature-friendly section, which I find appealing. There's all the cute hexagon ink cups and whatnot. Okay, it's wrapped in plastic. It looks like they have this, yeah, where you can peel it. Nice. So, frustration-free opening of the boxes. Magnum long taper FCV2 1209 M1. Focus. And what I see on the boxes, it says they are 16 pieces. So the price of them is, they are all in that 15-ish dollars area, and they also have some of those more exciting groupings, whereas the spread it out and a big needles, and box contains 16 of them because they are chunkier. They have this finger support thing. It's textured, so it's gonna grip better. 7 Magnum, 5 round liner, 1003 liner. Again, easy to open. Not my favorite type of boxes. I like the little drawers. Let's open one of these. That's 9 Magnum, and let's open a skinny one because that's where you can tell right away what is up. There's a different color of that grip. One is black, one is gray. It must be that they are color coded because also the back bit, the plastic, is different color, which means that it's easier to find which one is which when you work. Out of curiosity, let's open regular liner as well. Yeah, it's a bit annoying with other brands where like it's good that they've wrapped in plastic, but then you're doing all this because you can't get it open. So this is nice touch. Actually, I could have leave the back on. These are regular liners and these are also gray. This is the FCV2 1003. So a skinny 3. Plastic feels grippy and soft. You can see it's a bit squashy, but it's not slippery. There's a little letter C on the back of it. It indicates probably something. Let's see on the Magnum. No, they all say C. They feel relatively soft as cartridges. And let's see, let's push the needle out. There is a minimal wobble when it's pushed out completely. A skinny 3. Regular 5. So we have here now opened skinny 3, regular 5 liner, and 9 Magnum. Let's push them out and see how they feel. Oh, this one has a D on it for some reason, and these two have C. This is the skinny 3. There's a bit of wobble, but all these skinny needles have it. You can see it there. And let's see 5, and 5 is way better. Way less wobble, and it's obvious with those super skinny ones with the bug pin 3 liner, there's just more wiggle room because that's the size. And let's see the Magnum. This is 9. Minimal but acceptable wobble for cartridge needle, if you can say that wobble is acceptable. Let's have a look there. Let's see what they made of. You can clearly see that there's a membrane, and we have this situation going on where it's the square bit that fits in here, so that prevents it from rotating too much. Obviously I have to test how they are when you're tattooing with them. First impressions, they are on the same level as these brand cartridges are, and for that price it's very acceptable what's there. Obviously I'll try how they tattoo. I'll get back to you in the future with needles. They were nice enough to send stuff, so check their stuff, and if you're really keen to buy it, use my links. Needles and basic supplies.